Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and this is one of my wanted to share with you one of my technologies for the assignment about different technologies that we can use in our classrooms. This is one website I'm showing you right now is Epic. It's probably one that some of you have heard of before because it's super great. I absolutely love using it with my first graders. Is a lot. The grade first and second grade both have used this a lot. It's a site where they can log on and students can all be grouped together as a class. You can show different groups that you have. Here's some different students that are logged on, and they can save books that they want to read to their profile. So the students can log on, and you can search by reading level here. You can search by comics and types of books. There's some that read to them, so this is super great, and it tracks and follows along. They're just really engaging stories, good information. We did a research project with my second graders so they could search for an animal that they wanted to learn about, and then they wrote their story or their research project based on the books that they had read on here. So I've used a lot like that. It's got a ton of good information, and I love, and if you're doing a project together too, as a class, you can assign specific books. Right here you can see that you could assign those books to certain students in your class, or maybe all of them. So based on how you have your group set up, it allows you to do a lot of different things. So I say definitely check out Epic if you haven't before. Like you said here, you can explore by different reading levels. You can guided reading level, Lexile, AR, different things like that. So if you're like searching or teaching a specific type of level of class or something, you can search that way as well. And then you can save different videos about certain topics or different books so that you can come back to them. I think that's a pretty generic overview there of the different kinds that there are, and I hope you get a chance to check out Epic. It's super awesome.